Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. All the videos of GK Today are absolutely free and available on GK Today's YouTube channel. And if you are looking for interactive quizzes in text and also their solutions, then please download the GK Today's Academy Android app. We have several free and paid courses in that app. And also I would like to recommend you that if you are preparing for UPSC Prelims Examination 2021 and 2022, then we have a daily current affairs quiz series in Academy app. You may subscribe to that series if you find it good. In that quiz, we provide daily 10 questions especially crafted for the UPSC preliminary examination, and we try to connect each current affairs event with some fundamental knowledge in a static general studies topic. We hope you will find it very useful. Further, after the successful completion of the series on Indian polity, in which we cover the entire Indian polity in 60 videos with more than 1000 MCQs, here we are back to start up with another series that is on world geography. And this particular series is of 95 videos, and in each video we are going to discuss about 10 to 15 questions. So now let's begin with the questions on world geography. So the first question is, approximately what is the age of the earth? Now you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is 4.5 billion years. See, earth is the third planet of the solar system as counted from the sun, and the earth also came into existence almost the same time as the other members of the solar system, that is around 4.5 billion years ago. Now the next question is, which of the following is the major cause of nudation in Earth's axis? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option D, that is tidal forces. See, in the case of the Earth, the principal sources of tidal forces are the sun and moon, which continuously change location relative to each other and thus cause nudation in Earth's axis. Moving ahead with the next question. What eon is characterized by Earth's initial formation? Now you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is Hadean eon. So the Hadean eon, that is 4.6 billion years ago to 4 billion years ago, is associated with the early formation of the planet Earth. Moving ahead with the next question. So who among the following is not related to the theory of evolution of the earth? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option D, that is Humboldt. So basically the theories on the formation of the earth have been put forward by Laplace, Chamberlain, Kant, Moulton, etc., whereas Alexander von Humboldt is regarded as the father of climatology and modern geography. Moving ahead with the next question. So who put forward the gaseous hypothesis theory of the origin of Earth? You have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is Kant. So Kant put forward his gaseous hypothesis theory in 1755, and this theory was based on Newton's law of gravitation. Now the next question is, who proposed the planetesimal hypothesis? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is Chamberlain and Moulton. So the planetesimal hypothesis was put forward by Chamberlain and Moulton in the year 1905, and this theory explains not only the origin of Earth but also that of oceans and the atmosphere. Moving ahead with the next question. So which among the following is related to the fission hypothesis? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option D, that is moon. So the fission hypothesis proposes that the moon was once a part of the planet Earth. However, due to rapid rotation of Earth, the moon broke away from it. Now the next question is, which theory of the origin of moon is also called as the double planet theory? Now you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is binary accretion theory. So the binary accretion theory is also called as the double planet theory, and according to this theory, the moon formed in the orbit around the earth but not out of the material drawn from the earth. Both sides of the moon formed at around the same time out of the same swarm or cloud of material. Moving ahead with the next question. So the giant impact theory is related to which of the following? Now you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is moon. So the giant impact hypothesis was proposed in 1984 and it explains the origin of the moon. Moving ahead with the next question. So which astrophysicist proposed the band structure model? Now you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is Hans Elfven. So Hans Elfven proposed the band structure model and he explained the origin of planets using electromagnetism. Thank you so much. So this was all for today's video and we hope that you like our new initiative. So please do provide your feedback in our comment section. And stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. Thank you.